In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to buy GTA 6 Ultimate Edition on PS5 tutorial. If you're having any GTA 6 errors, issues, whatever it might be in terms of purchasing, this is going to fix it for you. First things first, what you're going to want to do is make your way to your PS5 home screen. You may see GTA 6 on the home screen already. If not, that's okay. Just go ahead and tab over to PlayStation Store and you'll 100% see it on the home screen from there. It's going to be right here. If you still can't find it, go ahead and search for it and open it up. Just search for Grand Theft Auto 6, GTA 6, whatever it might be. Open this up, and what you need to do from here is select whatever version it is that you want. In this case, let's go ahead and say it's the Ultimate Edition because that's what this video is on. Now, if you already bought the Standard Edition, just look for the Ultimate Edition upgrade or the add-on option on the game page. If for whatever reason you can't find the Ultimate Edition, select these three little dots here and you can filter to the Ultimate Edition from here. But once you're on this page, you just need to simply go ahead and hit purchase. For the price, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And if it's giving you errors, the first thing you want to do is make sure that all of your information is correct. With your card details, that means your billing address, your expiration date, the security number, all that needs to be correct. If it's correct and you know for sure it's correct, make sure you check the PlayStation server status as well and restart your PS5. If PlayStation servers are down, you're just going to have to wait it out. But if you're still having issues and PlayStation servers are up, and of course you've restarted your PS5, go ahead and try adding funds with the PlayStation gift card or a prepaid card. Another option is to buy through the PlayStation app or the PlayStation website while signed into the same account. And after purchasing, you could just go back to your PS5 and check your library or download. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.